Hey guys, Oldman here again. I've noticed that a lot of you, my dear viewers, are not subscribed to my channel yet. If you haven't already, please click that button. It will help me tremendously. With that said, let's take a close look at the Air Jordan KO Storm Blue. As far as I know, no one really knows what the KO stands for. The general consensus seems to be knockout, but I've read theories surrounding the knockoff meaning to it. I feel like knockoff is better than knockout. Anyway, if you haven't noticed already, this is based off the original Air Jordan 1 silhouette with slight variation on the color blocking, mainly on the heel side, and a complete replacement of the materials into canvas. This screams beater pairs, to be honest. I think this will look better worn out, and I frankly don't see any point putting these on ice unless you're that type of collector. Not really hard to wear, but it's surprisingly hard to dress up, if you know what I mean. I think you gotta go straight casual on this because of the materials. And as I've mentioned before, this is more of an everyday sneakerhead thing and meant to be worn until they're cooked. These are reselling close to retail right now. If you're looking for a nice Air Jordan beater pairs, I would suggest getting these. Just wanted to remind you guys again, if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. Like and comment on this video and follow me on Instagram.